Hey, welcome to the last part of Space Invaders. All right, so you already know this part. You have all of your stuff here. 30, 30. That's all good, right? And when I receive start level, change enemy direction. If you guys don't have this, I am giving you a chance to get this all in your scratch. You guys can pause it anytime. And then for your player bullet, you have this. Okay. I mean, for your enemy bullet, and then for your player bullet, you have this. Okay. And then I added a saucer. Here's all the code for that. So when I receive game over, hide, stop other scripts, and then start level, switch costume to saucer, hide, go to, and then for the explosion, I just done the kind of like the same exact thing. And then UFO low pitch, repeat 90, change X, if touching player bullets, switch costume to explosion, wait 0.2 seconds, change score by pick random 5 to 10 times 10. Then repeat 90, change X by -5. If touching player bullet, then switch costume to explosion, wait 0.2 seconds, hide, change score by pick random 5 to 10 times 10, then hide. Now if we go down here, this is going to be called player lives. When I receive game over, hide, stop other scripts, forever, player lives equals 2, switch costumes to 2. If player lives equals 3, switch costume to 3. And same thing with 1 and 0. And it's going to be in a forever loop. And then for levels, we have when green flag clicked, hide. When I receive start level, switch costume to level, show, wait 2 seconds, hide. Numbers. This one is already at 0. It will always be at 0. Number 2. This one has letter, length of score, -1 of score plus 1. So let me just take this out. So we have this and this inside of this and this. So how it goes is you have that. And then you put the letter of score inside of there. And then put length of score. You put, and then you put -1 inside of there. And then you put inside of the blank space, you put length of score. There you go. And then you pop that right in there. So switch costume to that. And for the costumes, you do 1 to 9. And for the second one, you have 1 to 9. And this one is letter letter length of score -2 of score plus 1. So it's the same exact format, okay? You pull it out and go to here, here, and this. So inside the plus, you put in the letter length of score, put in the minus, and put in there. And you pop it right in there. And then for the number 4, this is the thousands. You have the same thing, but instead of -2, you have -3. So be -1, -2, -3. See? 1, 2, 3. And yep, that should be it. If you want to look over this video and go through it again, we'll go through all of them really quickly, show you what it is. And then after you have all of those situated, this one right here, and then you have this one, count, true, animate, show, set, set Y. There you guys go. And then this one is when I receive, if number of enemy number to fire is equal to those, then set enemy bullet X start to X position and set enemy bullet Y start to Y position and create clone of enemy bullets. And then move down, change Y by -10. Then if we go to here, we have if when I receive player fire bullet, go to X position of player, show that, good, change Y by 10. If touching edge, then do this, set player firing to false, stop the script. Then, when I receive enemy down, hide, set player firing to false, stop other scripts in the sprite. When I receive game over, stop other scripts in the sprite, and then hide. And then for the enemy bullet, when I start as a clone, switch costume to enemy bullet, go down, go to enemy bullet X start and enemy bullet Y start. Then change Y by -5, and then touching color green and not touching color touching player, switch costume to explosion, and then do stamp, and then click pen, stamp, delete this clone, touching player, change player lives by -1, delete this clone, and when I receive game over, hide, and stop other scripts in the sprite. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll go to all of these. Again, I'm going to go through all of them really quickly so you guys can see them. And there you guys go.